What's going on, Muscle Monsters? Alain Gonzalez here, and in this video, I'm gonna take you through my entire upper body mass building workout. The way you're gonna incorporate this workout is into an upper body split. So on Monday, you do this workout here. On Tuesday, you would focus on your lower body. Rest on Wednesday, and then repeat Thursday and Friday. All right, another thing you can do is alternate between heavy days and lighter days. This would be the lighter day, all right? So on Monday, you might do the same workout, but with a heavier load for less overall reps. On Thursday, you would do this one just as is. So without further ado, let's jump right in.
They call him, a ways out from Harlem. Mayday warning, rang an alarm. Who came here to start him? Shoot flames, who came, who strength, use your brain, exchange for your stardom. Chick quit acting like a bitch, postpartum. Caught him on the camera on her, ain't on him. You're a low-key karaoke with your beats not starting. I'm a sold out show, Wu-Tang at the garden. Shut shit down whenever I am around. Fuck everybody sleeping on me prior to now. Your stage show ain't live, I'll be more hype in the crowd. The shit I say freestyle, I'm never writing it down. Nice in the cypher, don't pass the mic all around. I'm a viper that's striking like a lightning hitting the ground. No kidding around, I'm providing the sound. You catch it like a fighting Tyson, but no biting allowed. I shock you like a kite in the clouds, loud. I got a tight boombox just for tonight and it's loud. I stay with a pen like Sean, not Carter, so I write a lot harder. On every song I'm on, all night long. If typing the words, then I'm sorry. Try to put a price on my words, but can't pour me. Hey, your ass out of my verse like damn Lord. You can't none man harm me, I'm a 1M army. Been this way since the elder days, cause I stay up, watch late night to study tapes. My brother had recorder of the culture, I would break night, practicing my up rock. Then I got much pop. When I start flowing, best get out the way. Flood watch, I got a lot to say today to leave you in the tough spot. By the way, I'm about to say what's hot to play and what's not. I'm like the modern day Dr. J, come out with buckshot. In 99, I was just destroyed with the name whirlwind, undeniable B-boy, reliable D-boy. Some fresh is dope. Now come and hit my heart, my art, stethoscope. Resurrect, no need to check the veins post. The reading on the chart showing better results. And for the record, I'm moving fast, killing everybody on tracks. No matter what you're saying, oh, raining with timber, cause I'm made in the era of amazement. Raised in the days when they spent 60 quarters on their orders and supporters. It makes sense in order to support us so we can pay rent. My lessons never get less than facts. The best of rap, no need to mention that. I'm the truth, no question. And also the answer, even when there's no questions asked. You are now attending class. I'm the tutor for the future, don't forget the past. He can make fever kick, fever spit, read my lips, eat a dick, read a shit, and the rest is trash. Come and get recycled alive, just like your rap, they all the same, just change your name every time. Yo, admire my pride, the fire inside, when inspire and writing loud, just to write and ascribe.
There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, click the like button below. I'm also going to include my entire push-pull wave method workout for free in the description. So go there, put your name and your email address. You'll get instant access to the entire program. Make sure to subscribe, like the video if you liked the video, and we will talk in the next one. Peace.